Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Shipping is the one thing that quietly loses sales, a confusing rate at checkout, and the shopper gives up. The fix is to set your shipping up once, the smart way, so it just runs itself and you never have to think about it again. In this short guide you'll do exactly that in a few minutes. Open shipping settings from the left menu, under Orders. This one page controls how shipping works for every order in your store, so once it's right here, you're done. First, pick the carriers you want to offer. Tick the delivery companies you trust and untick the ones you don't use. Buyers will only ever see the options you choose here, which keeps checkout clean and predictable. Next, list the countries you actually ship to, using their 2-letter codes. Shoppers outside your list simply won't see a shipping option, so you never get an order you can't fulfill. Now decide how you'll charge for shipping. You have 2 easy options. The first is this free shipping switch. Turn it on and you cover the delivery cost yourself. Buyers love seeing a 0 at checkout, and many spend more because of it. If that fits your margins, it's the simplest choice of all. The second option, if you'd rather charge, is one flat rate per order. Every buyer pays the same simple amount, with no surprises and no live rate guessing. Pick a number that covers most of your parcels and leave it. That's your set and forget rate. Add a small handling fee to cover boxes, tape, and your time. Keep it modest so it never scares a buyer off, but big enough that packing no longer eats into your profit. Here's the piece that makes it truly hands-off. Turn on automatic label buying. Now the moment an order is paid, its shipping label is bought for you, so you can just print, pack, and post without lifting a finger in the panel. Finally, click Save once, and that's it. Your carriers, your countries, your rate, and your labels are all handled. You've set your shipping up to run itself, so you can spend your time selling instead of babysitting it. And that's hands-off shipping. Choose your carriers and countries, pick a free or flat rate, add a fair handling fee, and let labels buy themselves. Set it once and it quietly works in the background on every order. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.